How to fix Clubhouse app login problem or error. Hello guys, in this video we can talk about how can you fix the Clubhouse error or Clubhouse problem. So let's start. Before that guys, make sure you have liked this video. So many guys facing the Clubhouse application login error or login problem. So you need to follow my some steps, your problem will be fixed. So close your application first of all, then open your phone settings, click on settings, then scroll here and click on apps option. You can see all installed application on your device here. Just see more, or maybe you can see here. Just scroll it and click on Clubhouse application. When you click, you need to click on storage and cache button and then clear storage. Click on clear storage or clear data. You need to just clear data of your Clubhouse application and then just restart your device, and you can see after the open your Clubhouse application again, and you can see your problem will be fixed. So this is the first step. uh, then your problem will be 100% fixed. Just click on login, enter your number and click on next, and your problem will be 100% fixed. But still not working, then you need to second method or second additional one is a just open your Play Store and search here Clubhouse application. Okay, or you have already installed it, you just need to update your application. If they are showing update button, so update it, or not showing update, so you need to click on uninstall button or uninstall the application, and then again install it from Play Store, and then your problem will be